When the person you're in love with asks you for a break so they can think about things and the two of you have a no contact rule going on, it can be incredibly painful. It can be stressful. Your mind can spin. And so today I'm going to share with you the two main things that he's thinking about during this no contact period and what you can do to actually maintain your peace of mind. Check it out. A client of mine recently asked me this question. Her and her boyfriend are going through a rocky period, and he asked her for some time to think about what he really wants and if he wants to move forward in this relationship. When a man does that, there's two main things that he's considering during this no contact period. I'm going to share with you these two things, and then I'm also going to share with you the one perspective that you can keep in mind that will help you stay grounded and help you stay centered. So what he thinks about as he's reviewing the events that have just occurred, as he's considering, do I want this relationship or not? There's two main factors. The first factor that determines whether or not he's going to choose back into the relationship is whether or not he sees you as a viable long-term partner. Does he see himself with you long-term? Does he see you as a potential wife, a potential lifelong partner? And when he's looking at, do I see her in that light? What he's considering for himself is, do we have the same values? Are we on the same life path? Are we on the same trajectory together? Is this someone that I could see spending holidays with, integrating into my family? Do I feel like I could build a family or a life with her? So the first criteria is this a long-term relationship, or am I just having fun? Do we really see this as kind of temporary and it's going to be short-term? Because the other major factor that he's considering is, how fun is she? In other words, men, and really all of us, stay in relationships because they are more fun than they are not fun. Every relationship has challenges, right? Every relationship has struggles, has arguments, has miscommunications, and times when we get irritated with each other. But the reason you stay together is because at the end of the day, it's way better to be together than not be together. It's way more fun to stay together than not stay together. So he's weighing, as he's considering, wow, as he reflects over the last period of time, he says to himself, how much fun have we had and how much drama has there been? How much pain has there been? How many arguments have there been? And if the fun way outweighs the downside, then he's much more likely to give it another shot, to say, you know what, at the end of the day, this is a much better situation to stay together than to break up. But if there's way more drama and downer energy, then he's not going to choose into that. Nobody would choose into that. So those are the two criteria that he looks for. Is this long-term, and how much fun is there? What's the positive benefit of being with her? So what do you do in that moment? What do you do when he's considering for himself and you're considering the same thing? You're considering, do you want to stay with him? And if you land on a yes, that you love him, you see him as long-term, and you love being with him because you two have a blast together, you have the same values, you really connect with one another, then how do you maintain your energy? Here's how you do it. You check in with what you believe, because here's what I believe, that whether he chooses in or whether he chooses out, there's really only two options in store for you. Either if he chooses in, great. But if he doesn't choose in, there's only two options. And you got to ask yourself what you believe about the universe and the way this world works. Do you believe that God, your higher power, this universe, has something worse in store for you? Or do you believe that there's something even better in store for you? What do you believe? Really check in with yourself. Because most of us, you believe that, you know what, if he doesn't choose in, then there's a possibility of something even better. If there's the possibility of something even better in store for you, imagine what that must be. If someone was even better for you, so you see, you love this guy. He's amazing. He's sexy. He's good looking. He's smart. He's fun. He's got great values. If there was someone even better than that in store for you, how would you feel? How would you feel knowing it was either him or someone even better than him? Identify that in you right now. How would you feel? When I asked this question to my client, she goes, well, I would actually feel relaxed. it wouldn't be so much pressure on me. I would actually feel hopeful. I would feel like, okay, I've got possibilities for my life and that it's all going to work out. And you know what? I would actually feel like it's all going to be good. Whatever happens, it's all going to be good. And that's my message to you is whatever happens, it's all going to be good. Either he chooses in and it's going to be good, or he doesn't choose in and somebody else does. And it's even better than the previous good. Own that for yourself. Decide in advance to feel that way now. And that will put you in a state, interestingly enough, of not only having more peace of mind, not only being more grounded, but your energy will actually lighten up. Your energy will expand. Your energy will actually attract him even more. You don't even have to be around him. Just the quantum energy that you have, your soul force energy is going to stretch out and he's going to feel a shift. And it's the most potent energy for actually having him choose into the relationship, interestingly enough. So there you have it. The two things that he considers when there's the no contact rule and what you can do to stay grounded and stay centered. My question for you is, what strategies do you do when there's a no contact rule and your mind is spinning and you're in stress and you're like, what do you do to stay grounded and stay centered? Go ahead and post that in the comment section below. It will not only reinforce it in yourself, but it will serve everyone else who's reading these comments. And take a moment, click the subscribe button, click the little bell, so that way you are ensured to get the next greatest video that we release. We release a video every week because this channel is all about increasing love in the world, one heart at a time, and that means you. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you soon.